Hello friends, my name is Jatin. Today I am going to teach you a Santa Claus on a Christmas. Take it, all pastel colors, sketch pen, favicol as a gum and a scissor, and take it two scrap papers colorful. This will be used in for a backdrop. This will be used for a origami. I will be using origami steps for making a Santa Claus. Turn it into square. We are going to start. Turn it into square. Make it straight line. Cut it rest of the paper so you will get it square. Here your square is with you. Turn it in form of triangle. Open it. Put it on your desk as a diamond shape, like this straight. Do not put it in a square motion. Put it in a diamond motion. Now fold it till the center. Same thing. Fold it till the center. Fold it perfectly. Here your paper is done. Now take it gum, apply it on a back side. Now turn it little bit back side. Turn it. Fold it back side, and this is a paper for sticking the paper. Stick it like this. So here you will find a Santa Claus cap, and here you will get it a face. Now take it your marker. Make it one curve, one more curve, one eyes, one more eyes, one nose at the center, mustache at the center, one curve for the mouth, one more curve for the lips. Here face is ready. Now a slanting border and one curve coming inside. Same thing on opposite side, a slanting and touching towards chin. Here a beard coming out from the cap. Here. Now taking a white color from the oil pastel colors, giving few strokes for the beard. few white color on the cap. Even also you can stick it cotton on this if you want to. Here. Now one circle if you want to. I'm going to stick it one glitter circle on the here, one circle glitter at the back. Here cap is ready. Few white dots at the backdrop, you can make it. Even also you can make it a card. You can stick it on the paper, one big paper, and you can open it so you can get it your card. Thank you friends.